Increasing your average order value is easy with OrderBump. You can offer pre- or post-checkout offers to customers that are already committed to purchasing from your store, which can significantly increase your revenue with no extra effort. Now in this video, I will show you how to create your first manual bump and then how to customize that bump for increased conversions. Now if you have any questions, you can visit our website at orderbump.io and chat with one of our OrderBump experts. Let's jump right in. In the back end of your Shopify store, you're first going to click on Apps, then select OrderBump. In this demo example, you'll see a demo app called SuperBump, and that is the same thing, just named differently for testing purposes. You'll be looking for the app called OrderBump. On this first screen, you'll see that you'll be prompted to add the checkout code snippet to your checkout.liquid file. If you click this link, you'll be able to see the instructions on our website. But if you need help, you can always get in contact with our helpful support team. Now, once you have the code snippet installed, you can begin to work on creating your bumps. In this video, we're going to cover manual bumps based on specific conditions. There are also auto bumps, which use our AI technology to suggest products based on a variety of parameters. This is great if you have a huge list of products and don't really want to spend a lot of time setting up the app. But manual bumps are very, very powerful because you know your products best and you can control the experience that your customer goes through in the checkout process. For this example, we're going to look at the use case of upselling, matching items by brand or by complementary products. First, you're going to click Create Bump on the top right corner of your screen. Now you can choose pre-purchase, which is for Shopify Plus users only, or post-purchase, which is for all Shopify store owners. For this example, we're going to select the pre-purchase so that the offer can be suggested before the final payment occurs during the checkout process. Post-purchase bumps will show up after the customer has made their payment for the first item and will be suggested another item. Again, we're going to focus on pre-purchase, so we're going to click pre-purchase. Next, we need to select a product, and this is the product that will be suggested or bumped up during the checkout process. I'm going to choose the socks product. Next, we need to select a condition. There are many options for conditions that will trigger this product to show up as a bump in the checkout process. For this example, I will select product tags that contain shoes and product titles that contain shoes. Now, you can leave it just as is, but it will only show up as the product image if you don't fill out the next few fields. I would surely fill out these fields to help increase your chances of getting this bump added to the cart and increasing your revenue. For the socks title, I will put Nike Crew Socks 3-pack. For the socks description, I like to keep it short and something to generate a little bit of excitement. So I'll use enjoy your new shoes with Nike's most comfortable crew socks in a variety of colors. As you notice, I called out shoes because I know that this product is being bumped for when someone purchases shoes. This makes the description a little more personalized. Next, you can create a call to action, which looks like a button in the bump process. For this one, I'll write add socks to cart. Again, I'm being specific because I know the product type and I want to make this as personalized as possible. Next, there is a bump priority. For example, if you have 3 or 4 items you want to bump when someone buys shoes, such as socks, shoe cleaner, and a shoe storage box, then you can prioritize which one shows up first, second, or third with this selector. The smaller the number, the higher the priority for this bump. Lastly, make sure that you click the Save button and then make sure you also enable this bump. A common issue that we see is that bumps get saved, but they do not get enabled. So again, make sure you enable the bump. Now, when someone on this store adds an item tagged with shoes or titled with shoes, they're then going to view their cart and then start the checkout process. And at the top of the checkout, you'll notice our product, the socks product, being bumped and offered to the customer before they actually make a payment. Now, if you're not a Shopify Plus customer, then you would have made a post-payment offer, and this same product would be offered after the checkout is complete. You've now created your first manual bump and are able to repeat this process for as many products as you would like for your Shopify store. Now, hopefully this video was helpful in understanding how OrderBump works and how it can help you increase your revenue for your e-commerce store with very little effort. Now, again, if you have any questions, please visit our website at orderbump.io and chat with one of our experts today. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.